Hello children, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. So children, before starting our lesson, firstly I want you to take out your content page. The page which is in the second page of your textbook, okay? So here, take out science and social studies. You can see subject science as well as social studies. In this lesson, science, we have completed 3 lessons. Only one lesson is left from term 2, right? And but in social studies we have 3 more lessons to be completed. So as you can see that our social studies subject is lengthy. So today also I am going to teach you lesson from social studies. Our last video was also related to social studies. I taught you lesson number 8. So today also I am going to deal with lesson number 9 from social studies, so that there should be a balance between these two subjects, that is science as well as social studies. You can see over here 3 lessons are completed, 6, 7, 8 lesson is completed, more 3 lessons are there, right? Our social studies subject is lengthy. That's why today also I am going to deal with this subject, that is social studies. So all of you take out your textbook, page number 122, lesson number 9. As you can see the lesson name on the board, lesson number 9 is places of worship. What do you mean by term worship? Anyone know? Yes, वर्शिप का मतलब है प्रार्थना. भगवान हम हमारे हर सबके अलग अलग कास्ट होते हैं एंड सबके अलग अलग कास्ट के वो अलग अलग जगहों पे अलग अलग स्थानों में जाते हैं वर्शिप करने के लिए, प्रार्थना करने के लिए. ओके राइट. सो देयर आर मेनी प्लेसेस. इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट कि अगर हम हिंदू हैं तो सिर्फ मंदिर ही है दुनिया में. नो, देयर आर मेनी कास्ट, देयर आर मेनी डिफरेंट religious, and there are many different places of worship. So this lesson teaches us that what kind of places are there where the people will go and worship. So all of you take out your page number 122. Places of worship are made in the honor of God. So why do the worship places are there? मंदिर मस्जिद क्यों बनाए जाते हैं? ताकि honor of God, भगवान के खुशी के लिए कुछ लोग जो अपने इनकम में से जो थोड़ा बहुत दान करते हैं, वही दान को कलेक्ट करके भगवान की खुशी के लिए, अपनी खुशी के लिए वो लोग ये सब मंदिर एंड मस्जिद को बनाते हैं इन द ऑनर ऑफ गॉड. People go to these places of worship, they pray or worship in their own ways. So there are many places where the people will go and they'll worship. So what do? They either go pray or worship इन देयर ओन वे, चाहे वो हिंदी में हो या पंजाबी में हो या इंग्लिश में हो या अरबिक उर्दू लैंग्वेज में हो. सो सबका वर्शिप करने का ढंग अलग अलग है. द हिंदूज वर्शिप इन अ टेम्पल. whoever Hindus are there, they go in a temple and they do worship. So all my Hindu students, raise your hand if you go to the temple. Yes, we all go to temple and it has idols of different god and goddesses. So मंदिर में मूर्तियां होती है, स्थापित मूर्तियां स्थापित होती है या तो भगवान की या माताओं की. So the Bhagavad Gita is the one of their holy books. So हिंदुओं की जो सबसे बुक माना जाता है, the holy book which is regarded, that is the Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita is regarded as a holy book for Hindus. The Christians worship in a church, they pray to Lord Jesus Christ. The Bible is a holy book. So Christians, there are the other caste is what? The Christians. So these Christian people, they will go to church. I believe that many of my students also, they went to the church, right? So yes, they go to church to worship. And to whom they worship? There is only one God. For the Christians, that is Lord Jesus Christ. So वो लोग सिर्फ Lord Jesus Christ का worship करते हैं, उनकी पूजा करते हैं. And उनकी book, जो holy book है, वो कौन सी बुक है? वो बाइबल है. जैसा हिंदुओं की होली बुक कौन सी है? भगवद गीता. वैसे क्रिश्चियंस की होली बुक क्या है? बाइबल. नेक्स्ट इज द मुस्लिम्स. The Muslims pray in a mosque. They offer namaz prayers 5 times a day. Their holy book is the Quran. So Muslims, they pray in the mosque, मस्जिद में. ओके, एंड दे ऑफर नमाज. जो उनकी प्रेयर होती है, उनकी प्रेयर को उर्दू में क्या कहा जाता है? नमाज कहा जाता है. एंड उनकी होली बुक का नाम क्या है? कुरान. ओके. Next is the Sikh. The Sikh worship in Gurdwaras. They pray to their gurus. Their holy book is the Guru Granth Sahib Ji. So yes, the Sikh, they go to what? Gurdwara. And Gurdwara is a place where all The doors are open for all types of caste and the religious people. I believe that many of you or your parents, they went to gurudwaras once a time. So that is the place for the Sikh. The Sikh people, they go and they worship there. So they pray to the gurus. There are 10 gurus to whom they worship, and their holy book is what? Guru Granth Sahib Ji. Next is the Jains and the Buddhists also have their own place of worship. The other caste is what? Jains and the Buddhists. So they also have their own place where they go, they worship as well as they pray. You can see the pictures of all these things. You can see the picture of temple. Temple looks like this. Next is the church, the mosque, and you can see the Gurudwara over here. And this idol or this image is related to Jains and Buddhists. Okay children, so these are the few castes which you can see here. Okay, at India you can say all these castes are present in our country, in India, and all these places of worship are also there. Okay children, so with this we have completed our lesson, that is lesson number 9, places of worship. I want you to read the lesson and go through my video. Then whatever the notes I will send you, just see to it that you will copy all the notes in the correct text or the correct classwork. Okay children, yeah, we'll meet soon with the next video. Till then children, goodbye and take care.